Alright, so if you are a DeFi degen and if you are looking for some very handsome airdrop, so Zeroland is one of the best airdrop which is offering a very high amount of airdrop to the people who are the users of this platform. So let's understand what is Zeroland and how you can actually farm the points to get the airdrop. So Zeroland is top 10 liquidity borrowing and supplier platform on multiple chains. So let's go to the Zeroland directly to understand. So Zeroland is a liquidity borrowing and liquidity providing platform which is available on Ethereum, Linea, Blast, zkSync, Manta and Xlayer. So and they are launching their own token called Zero. Let's directly go to the Twitter thread, so where they have posted on 29th of April, Zero TGE is approaching on May 6th, in which 15 to 17% of the supply will go to the community as airdrop, and 90% of this drop will go to the supplier and borrowers on Zeroland platform. Can you understand? 15 to 17% of the total supply of the Zero token is going to the people who are farming the points on Zeroland. So how to farm those points, we will discuss everything in this video. But let's understand the feasibility, the amount of airdrop that you will be getting. So 15 to 17% of the total supply will be going to the airdrop, into the airdrop, and 5% of the total points, 5% of the total airdrop will be going to the zero gravity. So zero gravity is a form for the airdrop by the Zeroland. So this is zero gravity form where I have farmed 600k around points on this, and where they have listed multiple tasks: join Discord, say good morning, supply to the Zeroland platform, borrow to the Zeroland platform, pay the staker, then you can actually claim points. If you're a Manta staker, you can claim points. So multiple tasks are listed and you can actually get all those points and then you can farm the airdrop. So if I talk about the total value based on the points, then we have to move to the whales market. So I have 600k points. Let's go to the whales market. So if you go to the whales market, to the points market, then you can actually see 0 points. So somebody is selling 500k points at the cost of around $1,000. So you can understand I have 600k points, which means around 1200k, which is fair enough. So I have farmed these points just by putting 1 Ethereum of supply into the market, and then I have farmed 600k points in a month. So if you have Ethereum in your wallet, if you have USDT in your wallet, you can actually give supply, you can actually farm these points just by following the task in this task board here. So this is 600k points, and this is the platform where you can actually go to the dashboard. You can see I have supplied 300k of the net worth to the Blast chain, and I have farmed some points. So based on the thread, based on the Twitter thread, what they have given is 5% of the total airdrop will be going to the zero gravity. So means based on this leaderboard. So 5% of the airdrop will be given to the people who are farming through this, and rest of the 10 to 12% of the airdrop will be going to the early zero. So how to get early zero is you have to go to this again, to this dashboard and into the reward section. So once you provide liquidity or you borrow liquidity from the Zeroland market, you basically earn early zero. So you can see I have earned around 140k early zero, which I have claimed already, which is like $35. And here you can see the pending reward, which is 10k, which is less maybe, but who knows, like what is the zero value, what is the value of the zero token during the launch. So this is something which is around 150k early zero I have farmed. So this is one thing, I will be getting airdrop based on these points, and second based on these leaderboard. So in the leaderboard you could see I have a rank of 4000, which is pretty fair. I don't think this is less, because multiple people are there. At least 100k people are farming the Zeroland platform. So if you have liquidity, if you have on-chain balance, and if you wanted to farm these airdrop of the Zeroland, I think this is very promising. You have already seen at the whales market that the value of these points will be around, so if you have 500k points, means $1,000 of worth you can get the airdrop, which is respective what you gonna earn in this airdrop. So I will be sharing this referral link into the YouTube video description box of this video. You can just register and I will be getting 20% bonus point if you sign up through my link, and that will also help you because this is something you can actually do by this is what you can actually do by supporting me. So just sign up through my link and I will be getting 20% of the bonus, and you will get these kind of good information where you can actually farm these points and you can get free airdrops. So you can follow this Zeroland to get more information about the Zeroland, and if you have liquidity, you can go and provide liquidity to the Zeroland platform, and you can actually earn points and then you can get the airdrop. So this is all about the Zeroland platform. In the future, I will be sharing more videos about the airdrop. So if you're new here, you can subscribe my video, you can subscribe my channel, you can like my video. See you in the next video. Thank you.